Are you calling this the Amsterdam Krispy Kreme?
It might be.
So Steve has failed on the boat tour. We also walked 40 minutes out of the way to find a boat that don't exist. So it's like a ghost ship.
Oh my God.
What do you think? Give it a rating.
0. Like I would rather have Jaeger.
That's a 0.
All right, Steve, where are we going?
We're going to get a cookie in Amsterdam. The world famous, I guess. I've had to take over directions because Eric's gotten us lost a couple times, so now it's on me. Yeah, I think we're gonna go across there. I don't know why it has us going on the other side, but we'll go here and then I think it takes us over there. We need to do the canal tour today.
Well, it should be on the way.
Yeah.
We started walking around and ran into Dan here and we were like, hey, come talk to us. And recognize me by my patches. Yeah. There we go. Boom. But overall, Laracon EU, fun event, right?
So good. Absolutely love it. So many people, so many familiar faces, so many new faces. Yeah, just so good to connect with people and talk about tech. I love it.
What did I tell you we were going to?
You're going to the cookie shop. It's
Cookie shop.
Yeah, it's.
I can't say the word of the cookie.
Yeah, me neither. I completely recommend it. It's so good. They sell out of cookies really fast, so you need to make sure you get there before they sell out.
I guess what was the highlight for the conference for you?
The whole venue is from dinners to happy hour that they set up to the little parties. Things were done really well, and the whole Nuno emceeing it, and then trying to have as many talks as they have. That's got to be tough. Every 30 minutes, somebody new's coming out trying to present what they're working on and highlight some of the things they've got going. And this ranks right up there with one or two others that I can think of where well organized. So your expectations are really, really high. This might be the best cookie you've ever eaten.
I'm mainly going to be mad if it's walking a mile and a half and I don't like it.
For a cookie. Oh, is the line around the corner?
Yeah.
No. Oh my gosh. This is it. We're in line. They say this is the place. Check it out. Look at these cookies with that little melted goo. Warm, like Krispy Kreme. It's literally, look at the conveyor system. It's like a Krispy Kreme.
Are you calling this the Amsterdam Krispy Kreme?
It might be. Hey, how are you? We'll do 6. This is an amazing cookie.
The first stop of the day is done. Now we're gonna head back and find us a boat tour because we haven't done that yet. Go see some canals or whatever it's called.
Maybe this will be off the beaten path a little bit and won't be as touristy kind of deal.
So Steve has failed on the boat tour. He's
Not yet.
He's about to be fired from the navigation
No.
on this trip. It's about to go back to me.
Oh, we'll figure it out. It's right up here.
We also walked 40 minutes out of the way to find a boat that don't exist. So it's like a ghost ship.
There's plenty of houseboat things.
Now we are off to find another boat. We're gonna find one this time. I have faith in us. We've got some bad news for the Eric and Steve show here. We can't find Captain Dave's boat. So now we don't know what we're gonna do.
Let's go have a Heineken and take a break. Oh yeah, this is a Amsterdam supermarket.
We're gonna find us some stroopwafel.
Stroopwafels. We got to try them.
Now we're going to the river cruise. We went to our first Amsterdam supermarket. We had the option between a receipt and a short receipt. Steve got
a whole receipt and a short receipt.
whole receipt and short receipt. Steve got the short receipt and it was
pretty short.
It was way shorter than what we expected.
Yeah.
We expected a whole receipt to be like CVS in America, and the short receipt to be like what you would get at a normal store. But we were wrong.
Look at this. That's what I'm talking
There you
about.
go. There's your canal boat.
Right here.
Find it.
Yeah. 5 minutes. Straight to the left.
Straight to the left.
Based on my phone. Oh shoot. Hang on. Okay.
Editor's note. We have no idea where we're going, but Steve seems to think he knows.
Ah, shoot. Hold on. Actually, we came this way when we should have went that way. So we're not.
Fire.
Listen,
Strike two.
we walked 150 feet the wrong way. We're fine. I was wrong one time. And then, as Wes Golden said, they came back and told me I was right. So I think we're heading the right direction now. Since we found something, why not just go with it? It isn't the one that we had originally put on the maps to walk to, but it's
Good enough?
yeah, I think it'll be
We're gonna
good.
go. We finally found it.
Yes.
14 hours later.
Come on now.
We got tickets for the boat. Finally, we're en route to a boat. She said we can take alcohol
What's
out there,
up?
so we're gonna try this before we get arrested.
We're in the right spot. They said blue shirts.
Yeah, it's us.
That's it.
Welcome.
Everybody say hi. Hey.
There's this one day in the Netherlands where we celebrate the King's birthday. Have you heard of it? It's called King's Day. 28th of April. It's
Quite creative.
very creative. We celebrate just a guy. He's called Willem Alexander. But it's a very big excuse to party and make the whole city orange. But the whole thing, it happens on the canal.
Wow.
He said this is the smallest house in Amsterdam. One of.
We're back.
We're back.
We're back.
She explained it to us.
See how it's got a slight bubble on it? You do. Woo. And then you chase it with a beer.
How is it?
It's not terrible. It's like almost like moonshine, to be honest with you. But it's the experience. Now, hang on. Hang on. You're not supposed to spill it.
I know. I made a mess.
Take the first ship without your.
Without the move. Oh, wait, there we go. Okay. All right. You.
Did you touch your
Yeah, he did. Give it. Is he good?
I went to go use the. I went to go use the restroom. And nobody told me the rules.
Did you wash your hands up?
Yes. Ready now?
A sip and then a beer. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Hey,
Is this thing pointing at me? Because
Yes. What do you think? Give it a rating.
0. That's a 0. Like, I would rather have Jaeger.
That's a 0.
Oh my gosh, that is terrible.
That's so funny. That is so funny.
I'm gonna.
He can't hang. You joking?
That is bad. No, that's. No. Yeah. My eyes are watering.
Dutch liquor.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's like this is our version of gin, or actually gin is like they tried to replicate Geneva.
Yeah.
In the process, the British fucked it up and created gin.
Literally, and he may have been in the bathroom, but they said, or toilet as they call it here, but they said, do not move it. You just gotta put your hands behind your back and sip it.
They did not tell me
Comes
that.
out, he moves it, ails it, and then puts his hand behind his back and then tries to drink it. And we're like, oh my God, you can't take this guy anywhere.
Yeah, y'all did not. Which way are we going? Straight?
This way. Let's go live.
Steve's
Yeah, we're good.
Steve's about on strike 3 on the directions.
No.
We have found our way back. This is the Amsterdam Central Station.
back.
We back.
We are back.
That's our hotel right there.